Today I want to talk about how thick your canvas should be. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Svob and welcome to my channel. I've been teaching and painting for over 30 years and I decided to start this channel to help you become a better artist. Now if you stay with me on this channel on a weekly basis, I will answer your questions and help you become that better artist. Some of the considerations about how thick a canvas to use are the way your painting is going to be presented. Is it going to be framed? Is it going to stand out from the wall, or, does it really matter? Now, in most cases, the thickness of the canvas, and I'm referring to the stretcher bar, so you'll get paintings which are, a normal stretcher bar is a 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch, and then you get a 1 inch, you get a 1.5 inch, you get a 1 3/4, you get a 2 inch, etc. And the idea with those is the canvas runs around the side of the painting, and some artists will even paint their way around the sides of the painting so that the painting continues, okay? That's one reason artists do it. I don't like to do that. I don't want to think of myself as an edge painter. It's a pain, and I don't really think it works visually very well, so I tend to just do the edges dark if I want to present the painting that way, or black or something like that. With a narrow canvas or a board, sometimes I will still do the edges dark, because even if you use a panel, which is 1/8 of an inch or something like that, in the end, if you're going to show it as a shadow box where they show the whole thing with the edge and it's mounted, you don't want that to read as a white or a light or compete too much. So I would do those dark. But how thick your canvas is really, or your paint, how thick your canvas is or your painting surface is really a question about your personal preference and about how it's going to be presented. I hope you found this information useful. Now, I have a handout for you called How to Fix Your Painting, and you can get it by clicking on the link below. And thank you for watching.